Hi, this is the Z Edge WQHD curved gaming monitor. It's really good. So that's the box when it's opened, and you get a foam casing there that it just comes in, and that's the actual monitor there in cellophane. It's quite big. These are all the attachments that actually go with it, the stand and whatnot. That's the back of the actual stand there, and that you have instructions that show you how to connect the actual stand to the actual monitor. So that's quite useful as well. Anyway, this is the back of the actual monitor before the actual stand goes on, and I've put the actual stand on now, and these are the connections that you can use. I'm going to use a HDMI cable. So that's it there, looking good. And that's the HDMI cable in there. So that's it set up now. I've put it into position, and I've booted into Windows 7. That's the home screen of Windows 7, and it also works in Windows 10 and 11. So like and subscribe. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.